Ebusuafo me mo bibia kwaba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa search him. Mesro na wa subscribe to my channel. Me notification bell on so for more news. Felix Apia eye Facebook blogger or blog de ma NPP amayoko no. Na ode ensembia atodwa afa eye Dormaahene ne ho e wa bra ode ensembia betodwa afa eye His Excellency na nado dan kwakufa na fe so NPP amayoko no na ensema Dormaahene e kan ni na efa eye LGBTQ+ nsema abaga na ha obema commenta o kire se NPP fo so omo yo madwen so omeje atuma bebia omo wo bia anase nipa obeje atum no oba kotu na fia de so na senseme a Dormaahene e kan yen e na Felix Apia abema na reply wo na Felix ne sema okay na ne se enyema bia eye Dormaahene e ye na kame akoye se ompena na ado na sem na enyema a onye yina kire se sebio kakra e hyele ni ase oya yo befo na dofo menka senche no yenti nsema Felix na kasa e de etudwa
tena umu Dormaahene te se wa ya nipa bebre na be hu se wo dere sorry awa yo techire ma butu kasa de so bi a wanu ma yi se be koko kura ba ko kasa rough anu nsuo chaka basa o ya hene but you are not thinking like a king. Oh, your hene, but you are not behaving like a king because a king does not speak things that bring chaos to a country. But for you, you think it's a political gimmick. Now, when you cross for social media bloggers, now last park of intelligence, now say, or no support to Dormaahene, or person to kwesi asante for no Dormaafuo them. Do you know the Ashanti Kingdom? If I'm not afraid to say, after another region, that is the biggest region in Ghana. Asuchen bono, utie, asante suchen bono. Inti se Dormaafuo sorry so many asante for obekwa. Oje nsa asante for ebek na sepa. Eya mama yanjini o. Ghana for mama yanjini na sampeni for we no. Oma nyo musika ewi o. Dormaahene na was sorry obebutu ne tetra ma de kankwasi asem de shankrofo kutupa no. Wenye ni sika ewi. What way wajenda no wajenda odibe woni ayena de asa he has nothing good to offer. That Dormaahene has nothing to offer because look at me research. I want to see how many towns that covers the whole Dorma traditional area no this no. E be say me hu ekura here e wo ho. Nama compare kura here was antimemu. Nama she says I'm pasa and the Dormaafuo so many asantifo be ko omu betumi omo anazo omo kuku omo ahye omo ase. Just for political talk and stupidity, this king is willing to put the lives of his own kinsmen in danger. Ono ane Dormaafuo no oye willing say odo omo kra betu danger. May start me bisa question be say Oko Northwa, ya wa asantefo omo swai otumfo omo free north. Okobo ayi ya kan say Togo. Ya wa enkrofo e free Togo ton. Eba be so asante hene. Sa asante hene e swaya. Utie, okon knan ya wo obi o represent asante hene asanteman won knan fo ankasa pa asase so. Woko Eastern Regional, ya wo nkrofo a wo mo da so swai de motumfo. Uko Volta Regional, ye won crofo e swai de motum fo say ba ne say ye kontopa san crofo ni na beka asanteman ho ma ne ya Ashanti Kingdom. Eya mama ma yanko kan kwasi antokwa just because me ye bunu ni ntino say me so mu say me support me dey. Yes, support your own, but support it when it makes sense. Uyo ho ba me pia kuntujuma. Dormaahene, Akufo-Addo is busy developing Dorma. He doesn't have time to accept gay marriage. In this agenda, no, sanko berebio. Na se we ye judge, na we ye judge, papa. Embra na we hwe mu a we di bu nkrofo fo no. E kire o se gay, ye ngin tumu wo Ghana. Ena ye beji atumu a enye president na gitum. Dormaahene, se wutia, se ye beji gay atumu wo Ghana. Enya president na beja to menti you weni free Akufo-Addo so na weni be free. O himpowe you weni e free Akufo-Addo so na weni e be free o ye nyame ani. O ye nyame ani. Se ne papa ya o ye ma Dormaaman schools a we be bie akwanya waye infrastructures or dia ba Dormaahene ni na se wo si wo hu ye na wo nda na se a bi wani fefiri no so campaign mama hama to VAT amount what them that is all you look for. Riches and fame, people should know say what's so people should know say what's so na sebe or him pon ka asem a ebo man or him pon wo no o kasa e domutie o ka asem ebo man o si where the judge pen we judge and yes I will say where the judge pen Obi already judge pen there. I expect you to know the laws and the constitution. In this all catch me say Ekufuado kwaji gay tomorrow. Nana adabraka. Nana adabraka. Because say no 1 year Mobia will say be ya be do so no. I don't want to disrespect them. Utie. The way I will born somewhere the man boys say omundidi asante hene ne ade atem no Dormaahene me de me nya ne saa na mum de ameka ne say ekonwa na wote so no ebinum tena so ansa na wo ebeton ma watena so enti se wonim history a sebe wonim history nchai wo ho de bia wo sori a na wafa asante hene de asi wa no na ohwe no and asante hini say and Dormaahene sebe when you know disrespect to be a free Dormaafuo mo ya ekura wo Dorma eso chen sebe Ghana ni na there be Dormaafuo Dorma mo ya nu nti mama mo hini wei akodi ndis fuachi Eden papa mu ba area ho like throw war words na mu di actually support to any wo. You're a Dormaahene, you should be ashamed. You're a Dormaahene, now what Dormaahene, now what Dogana Maya. You should be ashamed condoning the foolishness. I said, Papa Penisa would be in it all yellow. And I'm a kind of so nim history. Onim history in China, one more be dear, dear, and son, I demand bedu be dear, dear. Ade. And I Asanteman, you say. Na woman no mo to me and a woman no betumi aye say woman betumi aye say and funny enough Mr. Abuaje, this man is not even okay ya wobono and ya wahafo until recently na me hu say yes say ahafo kra so wo mo so mo mahene te say Dormaahene na until they are chiefs who even ascribe respect to the Ashanti kingdom. Mesro, uko voter regional. Ya wo Dorma kingdom ho, and I say ya wo Dorma or might be a Dormaahene edusu voter na. Since that is how that man has been talking. Uko voter regional. Ya wo sebe Dorma kurobi wo ho a almost tried them a Dormaahene